Are you looking for a way to take your Amazon FBA business to the next level? Look no further. ChatGPT can help you dominate the market and be the best Amazon seller in 2023. ChatGPT can help sellers generate dynamic product reports, competitive analysis, scenario opportunities, cross-analysis, and wish analysis. By using these features, sellers can make informed decisions on optimizing their products to be more competitive in the marketplace. With ChatGPT's features, sellers will be able to easily create powerful optimized product descriptions that are more likely to attract customers and stand out from the competition. They'll also be able to take advantage of deep insights about their target audience, such as which keywords are most effective at driving clicks, or what types of images and headlines resonates most with their potential buyers. Finally, ChatGPT will help sellers develop powerful strategies for marketing their products, such as creating interesting content that resonates with customers, or leveraging existing influencers in their niche. Sellers can even create truly unique experiences for customers, like augmented reality content or virtual tours of their products, that set them apart from other sellers on the market. Get ready to make product reports with ease. We're so excited to announce that Voc.ai is releasing the new feature to help sellers dynamically generate product reports using ChatGPT, so you can focus on more important tasks. Keep an eye out for this awesome and helpful feature coming soon.